We got a bowl here. Let's add our pretzel bites to the mix. Sometimes you gotta get forceful. We're going in with a half a pound of cooked Italian sausage. We got some melted butter here. We're gonna go in with a little garlic and herb, salt-free, okay? You saw those pretzels have plenty of salt on it, so you do not need to add any extra salt. And this is non-salted butter, or unsalted butter, okay? I'm also gonna add a little bit more of these Italian herbs. Use my little grinder thing here. We'll just add it, I don't know, about a half a tablespoon or so. And we'll just give those a quick mix. Slide that back over here, and we're just gonna pour our herb and garlic salt mix in there. Garlic powder, not salt. Don't forget. In our fine china here, we got a pound of shredded mozzarella cheese. We're gonna go ahead and put about a half a pound in this mix right here. So a couple handfuls. The cheese is gonna help bind all this together when we get it in that bundt pan. Kind of bring together the pull apart bread. Oh, you see what I did there? Okay. Let's get it mixed as best as possible. Make sure all that stuff is covered in butter and the herbs. Got our bundt pan here. Already greased it up with some oil. Now let's get our little pretzel bite mix in there. All the way around, not in the hole. Try to evenly distribute it. You just want to work it all out. Press it down. Make sure everything's even, flat, all that good stuff. Got everything in the pan. Next thing we're gonna do is just add one more little layer of mozz around the top. Again, it's just extra to hold it all together. It'll get nice and browned up in there. It'll be great. Our bundt pan is ready to go, filled with all the goodness. Let's get it in the oven. We're gonna do it at 350, 20, 25 minutes, just until that cheese is nice and melty, golden brown on top here, which will subsequently be the bottom, but that's how we'll know it's all come together, all right? And again, don't forget to grease your bundt pan. Very important. Let's get in the oven. I'll see you in a second. We are out of the oven, looking golden brown and lovely. Let's get it turned up on a cutting board. Try our masterpiece. Get this thing turned up and turned over. I used a spatula and pressed around the sides too. So hopefully this thing comes out in one piece. We'll give it a couple of taps. Pull it off. Got the goodness right there. Oh. We got a little Classico pizza sauce. We're just gonna go over the top with that. No rhyme or reason. That is the dish, folks. Let's get a bite. All right, let's chop into this thing. Bust off a big old piece. Woo. Look at that ooey gooey goodness. Definitely a nice pull apart bread here. You know I got the fine china out for this one. Time to get ourselves a big old bite of this pretzel pizza pull apart pie. I'll go with it. Cheers, y'all. Just think of the best pizza you've ever had, and add some buttery goodness, those pretzels to it. Oh man, baby, you know it's good.